Here's a beautiful house, 3024 Skywatch Way. New construction, ready to move in. Priced below the list price of the builder. So this is a fantastic opportunity to buy this house, ready to move in. You don't have to wait for the construction to complete. It's already completed. My name is Tony Popper and I'm the realtor and listing agent for this house. It's a beautiful house right behind me. That 3024 Skywatch Way, Roseville, California. It's a beautiful area. Let's check out. This is a 2,500 square feet listed for $729,000 with all the upgrades included. Here's the house. It's beautiful. There's a bedroom downstairs. Decent sized bedroom. And this is a full bath downstairs. Full bathroom. There's a storage room. You can make it an office room or a storage room over there. And then we have a two-car garage. A two-car garage here. Tankless water heater. And that's the beautiful kitchen. A dining area. And this is the living room. Pretty large living room, spacious. And it's an open concept. The backyard is unfinished. You can do whatever you like with the backyard, however you want to develop it. This is the ground floor. It has 4 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bedroom downstairs. So totally 5 bedrooms in the house. And it also has a loft up there. This is the Harry Potter room. Oh, it has a light in there. Let me see where the switch is. There it is. Okay. Let's check out upstairs. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms. Very spacious. 2,500 square feet. Here's a large loft and the first bedroom. This has a whole house fan here. These are the controls for the whole house fan. And then this is the second bedroom. The third bedroom. Other houses are coming up in the back. They'll be ready soon. And then we have this hallway bathroom. And this is the master over there. And here is the laundry room. Here is the master. Nice sized master bedroom. You have a dual sink. And this is the shower enclosure. There's some space for some storage. The toilet. Walk-in closet, pretty spacious, nice walk-in closet. Here's the wiring cabinet. Going down again. That's it for this house. This is a beautiful house available at a very nice price for you. This has been priced. It was at $754, but we brought it down. Now it's $729. It's a really nice price and a beautiful home in the Roseville area. Nice spacious home. My name is Tony Poppet. My number is 916-547-9749. My email address is tpopat@gmail.com. That's tpopat@gmail.com. My first initial, last name @gmail.com. Call me, email me, contact me any way you want. If you're interested in this house or homes in this area, let me know. This is a very good deal. It won't last. And if you guys are interested, let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.